Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a braided wig that I got from TikTok shop. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Here's how the braids look, you guys. They're very much neat. Here's how the hair looks, you guys. So neat, perfectly neat. The double lace, you can cut it out to make it look natural. I really don't like double lace at all. It comes with baby hairs, but these new braids are so neat, you guys. It is time to cut this extra lace off. Even the combs, you want to cut the combs out, and when you cut the extra lace off, be careful. This is how it looks. You want to add some makeup inside the lace, even on top, so it can give natural, you guys. And as you can see, it's already giving natural before you even start cutting the lace off. Measure from ear to ear, make sure it is right, and make sure the part is in the middle. Push all the hair out of the way so you can start cutting the lace off. You want to cut the ear tabs. When you cut the ear tabs, do it slow, and then you're going to pull it out, and then you're going to make sure that your ear isn't covering your ear at all, which it isn't, so you're going to keep cutting the lace off. This one I got you with the job. I know that time. Now I'm going to cut the lace straight down the middle, and then far as the back, I'm going to take the elastic band and adjustable strap and tighten it. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. Make sure your baby hairs is pushed back before you start cutting any extra lace off, you guys. And then I'm about to cut the baby hairs, make them a little bit shorter because they are way too long. And then I'm going to take some makeup on the lace, even inside the part, so it can give scalp, because this is very important. The lace has to match your actual skin tone. When you do, they must comment it. As y'all can see, the lace looks so much better now. It looks like it's growing out of your scalp. Just to make your money. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? All depending. Now I'm going to do my baby hairs with basking leather edge control. When I tell you this basking leather is got to have this wig in your natural hair so sleek and laid, and it does not leave no whiteness. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. From the people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All depend. They can say, right, good. I know fit. Die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. All depend. They can say, right, good. Braided wig install. I love how neat these braids are, you guys. I did have to cut the double lace out, which I don't like double lace, but as soon as you remove it, it looks way more natural, you guys. Here's how the braids are looking, so neat and crisp. I did the baby hairs, and that was it, you guys. This wig took me like 15 minutes just to install. Imagine getting your hair done with a braids this small in 15 minutes, you guys.